Centralized control of major platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram has resulted in several issues, such as data breaches, server outages, deplatforming, censorship, and privacy violations. These days, two major issues confronting the existing social networks appear to be intertwined: data protection and censorship of centralized social media platforms. In a country like China, where internet and social media censorship is strict, the narrative is government-controlled. As a result, people undergo self-censorship, while some find creative ways to get around the censorship by using emojis to express what they truly feel. To combat these issues, developers are building social media networks on decentralized networks like Ethereum and giving the power back to users rather than to corporations and governments alike. Among other things, decentralized social networks can solve many of the problems of traditional social networking platforms and improve the overall experience of users. In today's episode of Crypto Hour, you will get complete information about decentralized social media, how it works, and why it is important today and in the future. If you are new to our channel, then you can subscribe to the channel. Please watch the full video because, in the video you will learn about the real-life usage of decentralized social media. If you like the video, you can share it. Decentralized social media is an open-source, blockchain-based alternative to traditional and centralized social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other centralized social media platforms you can think of. Decentralized social media essentially operates on servers that run independently, implying that they are not in the hands of a corporation or government as with most centralized alternatives. Instead, their users make all the decisions surrounding its operation and networking. Perhaps you've heard of cryptocurrency and NFTs or decentralization, and its role in crypto and NFTs. Blockchain technology is the driving force behind decentralization, a technology that has become very popular and highly in demand. Blockchain allows social media users to experience a more secure, transparent, decentralized social network with no central administrator or point of control. By leveraging blockchain technology, decentralized social media platforms are available as decentralized apps and are resistant to attackers, censorship and undue control, and third-party interference. This type of social platform further ensures that your data is spread out between several different independent nodes within the underpinning network rather than being held by one single entity or multiple entities, depending on how many social media platforms you use. So, how do these revolutionary decentralized social media platforms work? Decentralized social media platforms are a group of decentralized applications powered by smart contracts and deployed on the blockchain. The contract code serves as the backend for these social media apps and characterizes their business logic. All traditional social media platforms rely on databases to store user information, program code, and other forms of data. Sadly, this creates single points of failure and introduces significant risk. For instance, Twitter servers went down in July this year, and Facebook infamously went offline for hours last year, cutting off users from the platform. Moreover, decentralized social networks operate on a peer-to-peer network comprising thousands of nodes around the globe. Even if some nodes fail, the network will keep running uninterrupted, making applications resistant to failures and outages. Using decentralized storage systems like the Interplanetary File System, social networks built on Ethereum can protect user information from exploitation and malicious use. No one will sell your personal information to advertisers. Even hackers will not be able to steal your confidential details. Monetization is also tied to how these social platforms work. Many blockchain-based social platforms have native tokens that power monetization in the absence of advertising revenue. Users can buy these tokens to access certain features, complete in-app purchases, or tip their favorite content creators. So, what does decentralized social media truly mean to users, and what does it really offer?